this video, I will be briefly explaining the basic piano keys and notes, as well as a little bit of piano history. A little piano background. I'm sure you're wondering, where did the piano come from? Originally, it started out as a modification of the harpsichord, which is another keyboard instrument. The piano, however, had a greater range of volume and allowed the performer to gradually change volume, going from loud to soft, slowly, or vice versa. The modern piano has 88 keys, 52 of which are white and 36 of which are black. These are shown below. And that's exactly how they're laid out on a normal standard piano. The white keys represent tones, which I will talk about soon. The black keys represent sharps and flats, or semitones. At the bottom of this page, on the right, there is an example of a grand piano, and on the left is an example of an upright piano. As a side note, you can get pianos with more keys and some keyboards with less keys, but the standard is 88 keys. So, moving on to tones, the white keys, or tones, have letter names. These are, as listed above, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. On every piano, the setup is the same. Here, I have an arrow pointing to what is known as middle C. If we were to go up from middle C, the letters would be in the order I have written up above. They would go C, D, E, F, G, and then we would start at A again, A, B, and we would start over at C and continue on. Here you can see what each note is, as I have written them underneath, with the C on the left, perhaps just representing middle C. We could say going up from middle C, there's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. However, if we were to say middle C was the right side C, it would just go down from there. The black keys, which are between two white keys, each represent two notes. The two notes that the black keys represent are a sharp and a flat, shown here. A sharp is defined as a semitone or half step above a given note, and a flat is defined as a semitone or half step below a given note. Because each black key is between two white keys, each black key is a white key and a sharp and a flat. If we were to write that out, it would look something like what I have above here. So if we were to read this out, starting on the very left, there's C, and then, so there's C, and then there's C sharp and D flat, and D sharp and E flat, and E. Now here, we don't have a black key between E and F, but, excuse me, the F, so this key would be known as E sharp if we had an E sharp in the music, and this key would be known as F flat if there was an F flat in the music. If we were to continue now, this is F, F sharp, G flat, G, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat, B, and the same thing happens with B and C as it did with E and F. If we have a B sharp, this would be B sharp, and if we had a C flat, this would be C flat. And then this is C. And it continues on in a cycle. Hopefully that makes sense. Thanks for watching.